I'm Prachya Sarkar, student of JD Moigaon. Today we will perform different activities on chemical reaction and equation. As we know that chemical reaction and equations are of the following types: displacement reaction, double displacement reaction, combination reaction, and decomposition reaction. In combination reaction, magnesium and oxygen together form magnesium oxide, and decomposition reaction by heating of lead nitrate produces brown gases of nitrogen dioxide, and displacement reaction zinc plus zinc, zinc and hydrochloric acid together form zinc chloride and hydrogen bubbles. Double displacement reaction.
इनका नाम नहीं है एल्युमिनियम सल्फेट बेरियम क्लोराइड बेरियम सल्फेट एल्युमिनियम क्लोराइड Kuntu. Zinc plus hydrochloric acid, zinc chloride and hydrogen gas. सुनो बोलते स्टार्ट करो सीरियस है Round 1 2 3 बोल
Good morning to all. I'm Prachya Sarkar, a student of JB Moigaon. Today we will perform different activities on chemical reaction and equation. As we know that chemical reaction and equations are of following type: combination reaction, decomposition reaction, displacement reaction, and double displacement reaction. In combination reaction, magnesium plus oxygen together form magnesium oxide, and displacement reaction by heating of lead nitrate, it produces brown gases, which are known as nitrogen dioxide. And in displacement reaction, zinc plus hydrochloric acid together forms zinc chloride and hydrogen gases. And hydrogen, it also forms bubbles. And in double displacement reaction, we know that aluminum sulfate and barium chloride together form barium sulfate and aluminum chloride. By this activity, we can develop our life skills such as communication, critical problem solving, collaboration, and safety awareness. Thank you.
चलो वन है तुम्हें विश्वजीत चौधरी पीजीडी केमिस्ट्री तुम अपना बोला दो विश्वजीत चौधरी पीजीडी केमिस्ट्री of JNV Moigaon. So today we'll see some of the activities that with that we can find out the different types of chemical reactions. So as you know that when magnesium burns in oxygen, then it produces magnesium oxide. So this is a combination reaction. And when that is decomposition reaction, if we heat this nitrate, then it produces brown precipitate of nitrogen dioxide. Now another reaction is displacement reaction. In that, in hydrochloric acid, if we take zinc metal, then we can see a bubble form. And that bubbles is due to formation of hydrogen gas. So these bubbles you can see clearly, these bubbles indicates the formation of hydrogen gas. Okay, so all the chemical reaction they will show you some of the visible signs, either in the form of change in color, evolution of gas, change in temperature, or formation of solid mass, that is called precipitate. Now another reaction, that is double displacement reaction. So in that reaction, if we add some barium chloride to aluminum sulfate, then what changes you can see? Is there any change? So you can see that there is a white mass is formed, that is called precipitate. So this is an example of double displacement reaction. समझ में आया अभी? ये फिर से है तो अब फिर से माइंड में देखो, माइंड सेटअप करो, मैं दे रहा हूँ ठीक करके एक बार देखो अभी फाइन है मोहित को क्या बनना है? अभी लेकिन कार्बन योगा बन गया, एक साल करना है अभी।
Very good.